wants to know which round is fastest, but today we're looking at something that's a little more important. Which one's the most consistent, and why that matters when taking an ethical shot at distance on an animal. Chronograph, right here we have the Garmin, measures bullet velocity as it leaves the muzzle. That number helps understand trajectory, energy, all that stuff. And consistency in that number is what translates to accuracy. You know, rounds traveling at the same speed are generally going to land at the same spot. Today we're going to be shooting 6.5 Creedmoor, reliable, efficient, softer recoiling, very popular for precision shooting and hunting. And 6.5 PRC, bigger case, more speed, flatter, and it delivers more energy downrange. So we're going to shoot 5 rounds of each type of ammo. We're going to only be using Hornady Precision Hunter, so it's going to be a little more consistent in that way. 5 rounds with each rifle, same target, same setup, same chronograph, same conditions as much as possible, and factory ammo through all of it. We'll go over average velocity, how fast it's averaging, extreme spread, that's the difference between fastest and slowest, and then your standard deviation, which is really the number that matters, and that's how consistent that ammo is going to be out of your rifle. Higher velocity is exciting, but if one round is 80 feet per second faster than the next round, it's going to change your point of impact more than you think. So go ahead, take your guess. Try to guess which one's going to be more consistent out of these two. All right. Now for the 6.5 PRC. Okay, so before we get into the data, I just want to say that this is exactly why we test the rifles the way we do. Our rifles look great, but it's not just about how they look, it's about how they perform with the factory ammo that you are more than likely going to be using. It really is about consistency. Looks are great, but the chronograph tells a totally different story. So let's get into the numbers a little bit. So 6.5 PRC, it's a hotter round. It is moving a lot faster, delivering a lot more energy downrange. Data from the chronograph really speaks to the round's consistency though. Of course, these will vary slightly, lot number to lot number, but they're both Hornady Precision Hunter. They're both really good higher end factory ammo, especially for hunting. So the minimum velocity on 5 rounds that we got out of the 6.5 PRC here is going to be 2,813.1 feet per second. The maximum is 2,823.6. Extreme spread is 10.5. feet per second, and standard deviation is 3.5 feet per second. So for factory ammo, that is really, really good. Again, gonna vary a little bit lot number to lot number, but that's a real performer right there, and honestly pretty surprising. For the 6.5 Creedmoor, let's see here. Okay, 6.5 Creedmoor, really, really popular round, super fast, light recoil. It's a lot of people's go-to. The minimum velocity we got on that out of 5 rounds was 2,590 feet per second. The maximum was 2,616.6 feet per second. That's a 9 FPS standard deviation. Obviously, that's still pretty good for factory ammo, but that 6.5 PRC kind of blew it out of the water at 3.5 feet per second. That's really good. Extreme spread, 26.6 feet per second. Still really good, consistent ammo. I wouldn't worry about that, taking a shot on an animal. But yeah, that's why we test with factory ammunition. We want to make sure the rifles perform with what you're going to use.